Köttiä Myyrmäki.
Today is the 30th of October 2021. We have it's Ojahaanpolku Beckhouse and 8 staircase D, and we still have to get to the staircases A and C later. And it's with AB8 fixtures built in 1972, turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. It's in Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, Länsi-Vantaa, West-Vantaa in the Helsinki and Sivos region, also in Finland. These walls are covered because there's a renovation going on here.
Yeah.
But what was the serial, by the way? What could it be?
It's 825-843.
Yes, that's right. I had to drag that out a little.
Yeah, it says here.
It will be inspected in 2023. Ah, okay, yeah. I didn't have to, but this is the original one. That's strange. Such weird windows they made.
Yeah.
But it makes it even more interesting when it's covered.
Yeah.
But they are also the best of this type here, I think.
Yeah.
They were maybe the most difficult also.
Yeah.
Of MB8 here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a second science ride. But of course we still need to get to stage A and C later.
Yeah. Inspected by my airlift instrument maintained by Sheila.
I said thank you very much for watching, and I hope we will get to the stage A and C later. As soon as possible.
That's